Okay, are you ready to sing it again? Do you want to come and face me so I can get your face?
And she's going to record you so you can watch yourself.
Yeah, it'll be cool. Are you ready?
I want to do it.
Okay, are you going to sing us a song? Green Tractor? All right, go. You guys sing the song so Auntie's going to record you and then you can watch.
We can go and have.
I think you got to sing it while you're not eating. Sing the song first and then I'll give you your cake. Sing. Quick, quick.
Baby, go faster down to wood and to pasture alongside you. Really don't matter, 'cause that and I know we got. And hold on to, we can both help. We driver, ride a baby
Tractor. Good boy. That was so good. Wasn't he good? What's that?